How to fix can't install application on Play Store. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we will see how we can fix if you have a problem while installing application from the Play Store that says the application cannot be installed. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, first of all, open up settings in your device. Tap on apps. Tap on see all apps. Now from the list of your application, you have to search for Google Play Store and then tap on it. Once you land on its app info, tap on storage and cache and then here tap on clear cache. After that again, tap on clear storage. Then tap on OK. Once you do that, head back to the app info page. Here tap on permissions and make sure that you have allowed all the necessary permissions for the Google Play Store. So once you do that, now you can close your settings in your device. After that, you have to open up Play Store in your device. That will give your account a fresh start. Then search for the application that you are having problem on. Now you can install the application and your problem will be solved. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.